Skin Renew. The Central Valley's leading laser medical center asks, why age? Join Skin Renew for a holiday health and beauty fair in Modesto on Saturday, November 9th. Enjoy continental breakfast, discounts, presentations, and door prizes. Register online at skinrenewmedical.com.
Using the latest technologies and innovation, Dr. Grace Kwan Hong offers a variety of services to restore your skin to a younger and healthier you. See live demonstrations, listen to live presentations, and chat with skincare professionals from Allergan, Metasis, Neocutis, Revision, Syneron, Radius, and more. Space is limited. Register online at skinrenewmedical.com. All attendees will receive a complimentary Skin Renew bag with valuable merchandise and discount coupons. Plus, be one of the lucky few and receive a mystery gift worth up to $500. Be the first 100 at the event and receive a complimentary box of Latisse to grow your natural eyelashes.
Enjoy a more youthful and rejuvenated appearance today. Register online and mark your calendars for Skin Renew's Holiday Health and Beauty Fair on Saturday, November 9th. That's skinrenewmedical.com.